A sustainable low-carbon day begins as you greet the sunshine. Conserving water in daily life. Supporting non-plastic alternatives. Opting for low-carbon travel options. Recycling and reusing materials. Embracing new possibilities. Join us for a green and smart lifestyle. A gentle touch. Saving more than just electricity. Control the energy usage and enjoy smart cooling. Caring about every breath you take. Ensuring a healthier environment for you. Preserving glaciers for tomorrow. Embracing the energy of life through solar power. Powering your comfort with new energy. With sustainable, eco-friendly air solution, fostering a thriving ecosystem. Powerful cooling performance in extreme heat. Cooling your dreams while ensuring energy efficiency. Guarding the heart of oceans. Bring natural wind home with a touch. Good air can be visible. No matter where you are, it can reach you. All year long, using green refrigerants to mitigate greenhouse effects. Here, warmth meets energy saving. Reducing carbon for a green future. There's more we can do. Prioritizing green technology. Keep reducing our carbon footprint. Always staying at the forefront of this evolution. With actions, we uphold the vision of sustainable development. Higher Air Conditioning welcomes people worldwide to join us. Start now with small steps. Together, let's choose a more eco-friendly lifestyle and create a greener, more natural future. Let's take a deep breath while green nature breathes alongside you.